French country charm meets modern luxury, indoor-outdoor elegance and cozy interiors. Experience the ultimate blend of sophistication and charm with modern luxury homes meets French country, where seamless indoor-outdoor living and cozy, elegant interiors come together in perfect harmony. This innovative design concept merges the timeless allure of French country style with the sleek lines and opulent touches of modern architecture. Envision focal decor elements like oversized chandeliers casting a warm glow, intricate wrought iron accents adding a touch of artistry, and curated artwork infusing personality into each room. These are beautifully balanced with warm wood tones and plush textiles, creating a serene, inviting ambience that feels truly welcoming. In this exquisite living space, indoor-outdoor living is not merely a feature but a lifestyle. Expansive glass doors open effortlessly to reveal lush gardens or charming terraces, seamlessly inviting the beauty of nature inside and making it an integral part of the home's decor. Imagine a centerpiece like a grand stone fireplace for cozy evenings or a sophisticated outdoor seating arrangement adorned with soft throws, perfect for entertaining or simply unwinding after a long day. Every room radiates cozy elegance, from the naturally lit kitchen enhanced with timeless fixtures, to the spa-like bathrooms adorned with marble surfaces and gentle lighting that exude tranquility. These homes are thoughtfully designed to prioritize both relaxation and connection, catering to individuals who cherish style as much as comfort. Whether it's hosting a lively dinner party under a canopy of twinkling string lights or enjoying a quiet, intimate evening with family by the fire, this concept elevates every experience. This seamless fusion of modern luxury and French country charm serves as a constant source of inspiration, encouraging you to craft a home that feels both timeless and uniquely reflective of your personal taste. embracing both elegance and practicality. These homes offer an idyllic setting for a lifestyle that balances sophistication with the comforts of modern living. This fusion invites you to step into a world where every detail is thoughtfully curated to offer the perfect backdrop for life's memorable moments. Let this blend inspire you to create a living space that feels just right, a sanctuary where luxury meets the comforting warmth of country living, offering an exquisite retreat you'll love coming home to every day.